Wall Street bounced back at the opening bell after one of its worst days ever. President Trump is trying to reassure Americans that he is taking steps to protect their health and the economy from the coronavirus. CBS 4's Deborah Alfarone is at the White House with more on the response to the virus.
U.S. stocks, oil, and financial markets around the world rallied following Monday's historic plunge. Investors welcome proposed financial incentives to prop up the global economy.
Today's activity is clearly drawn towards the president's comments coming out last night talking about a tax stimulus, a plan in which we can infuse more money back into our economy.
President Trump's proposal includes a payroll tax relief measure and help for hourly wage earners,
so that they can be in a position where they're not going to ever miss a paycheck.
President Trump says he'll be talking about proposals with members of Congress. His press secretary has said that the president has not been tested for coronavirus, even though he has come into contact with 5 people who are now self-quarantining. Those include Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz, who traveled with the president on Air Force One just yesterday. Also, the president's incoming chief of staff, Mark Meadows, and Georgia Congressman Doug Collins, who shook President Trump's hand Friday ahead of a visit to the CDC. They came into contact with an infected individual at a conference. Lawmakers from both parties had in-person meetings on Capitol Hill this morning.
We consult with the medical experts. As you know, we have physicians here in the Capitol.
I think we can act quickly if we act in a bipartisan way.
And at the Securities and Exchange Commission, which monitors financial markets, a possible coronavirus case has D.C.-based employees working from home. Deborah Alfarone, CBS News, the White House.